nothing keeping me from going outside anymore. My systems are critical, gotta find my way back to you. Feels like I'm drifting along. I'm just out here wishing that you would say, don't be afraid. If you start floating away, hey, I promise you we'll be fine. The universe on your side. When you're out in space, don't you be afraid. No, if you start floating away, hey, I promise you we'll be fine. The universe on your side. When you're out in space, don't you be afraid. No, if you start floating away. We gotta make contact to make it out. We gotta make contact to make it. We gotta make contact to make it out. If you start floating away, hey, I promise you we'll be fine. Yeah, the universe on your side. When you're out in space, don't you be afraid. No, if you start floating away, hey, I promise you we'll be fine. The universe on your side. When you're out in space, don't you be afraid. No, if you start floating away. Don't you be afraid. No, if you start floating away.
The second someone mentioned you were all alone, I could feel the trouble coursing through your veins. Now I know it's got a hold. Just a phone call left unanswered had me sparking now. These cigarettes won't stop me wondering where you are. Don't let go, keep a hold. If you look into the distance, there's a house upon the hill, guiding like a lighthouse. It's a place where you'll be safe to feel our grace, cause we've all made mistakes. If you've lost your way, yeah, I'll leave the light on. I'll leave the light on. Tell me what's been happening, what's been on your mind. Lately you've been searching for a darker place to hide. That's alright, but if you carry on abusing, you'll be robbed from us. I refuse to lose another friend to drugs. Just come home, don't let go. If you look into the distance, there's a house upon the hill, guiding like a lighthouse. It's a place where you'll be safe to feel our grace, cause we've all made mistakes. If you've lost your way, I'll leave the light on. I'll leave the light on. guess I'm a disappointment. Doing everything I can, I don't wanna make you disappointed. It's annoying. I just wanna make you feel like everything I ever did was never trying to make an issue for you. But I guess the more you thought about everything, you were never even wrong in the first place, right? Yeah, I'ma just ignore you, walking towards you, with my head down, looking at the ground. I'm embarrassed for you, paranoia. What did I do wrong this time? That's parents for you, very loyal. Should've had my back, but you put a knife in my hands. What else should I carry for you? I care for you, but the edge right now. I wish that I could say I'm proud. I'm sorry that I let you down. Let you down. All these voices in my head get loud. I wish that I could shut them out. I'm sorry that I let you down. Let you down. Yeah. You don't wanna make this work, you just wanna make this worse. Want me to listen to you, but you don't ever hear my words. You don't wanna know my hurt yet. Let me guess, you want an apology, probably. How can we keep going at a rate like this? We can't, so I guess I'ma have to leave. Please don't come after me. I just wanna be alone right now. I don't really wanna think at all. Go ahead, just drink it all. Both know you're gonna call them on like nothing's wrong. Ain't that what you always do? I feel like every time I talk to you, you're in an awful mood. What else can I offer you? There's nothing left right now. I give it all to you. On the edge right now. I wish that I could say I'm proud. I'm sorry that I let you down. Let you down. All these voices in my head get loud. I wish that I could shut them out. I'm sorry that I let you down. Let you down. Yeah. Don't talk down to me, that's not gonna work now. Packed all my clothes and I moved out. I don't even wanna go to your house. Every time I sit on that couch, I feel like you lecture me. Eventually, I bet that we could've made this work and probably would've figured things out. But I guess I'm a letdown, but it's cool, I checked out. Oh, you wanna be friends now? Okay, let's put my fake face on and pretend now. Sit around and talk about the good times that didn't even happen. I mean, why are you laughing? Must've missed that joke, let me see if I can find a reaction. No, but at least you're happy. Feels like we're on the edge right now. Wish that I could say I'm proud. Sorry that I let you down. Oh, I let you down. All these voices in my head get loud, and I wish that I could shut them out. Sorry that I let you down. Oh, I let you down. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, no. Yeah, I'm sorry that I let you down.
This town used to be a pretty place to stay, a place you stop off on the highway. But all of those things changed on the day you packed up your bags and you ran away. All they say is how you changed. Every day I stay the same, so you can keep the necklace that I gave to you. I'll keep the shitty tattoos. I can see it from the other side. The grass is in a waste that's green. The house is burned to ashes. I'm no longer in between. R.I.P. R.I.P. You and me. I can see it from the other side. The grass is in a waste that's green. The house is burned to ashes. I'm no longer in between. R.I.P. R.I.P. You and me. I count the empty bottles upon the bar, but I give up. I can't count that far. And the lights in this place are too dim to see. They can't get me out. It's a quarter past. They tell me you're all I got. I just need these dreams to stop. You can keep the necklace that I gave to you. I'll keep the shitty tattoos. I can see it from the other side. The grass is in a waste that's green. The house is burned to ashes. I'm no longer in between. R.I.P. R.I.P. You and me. I can see it from the other side. The grass is in a waste that's green. The house is burned to ashes. I'm no longer in between. R.I.P. R.I.P. You and me.